Welcome. If you've ever wanted to chat with your friends on Discord while playing games or using other apps on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable mobile voice overlay in Discord's voice settings, so you can keep the conversation going no matter what you're doing on your device. This guide is fully updated, so let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Now, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Give that a tap to open up your user settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Here you'll see an option called Voice. Tap on that to open up all the voice-related settings for your account. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down through the voice settings until you find the option labeled Enable Mobile Voice Overlay. This feature lets Discord's voice chat appear as a small overlay on top of your other apps, so you can see who's talking and manage your call without ever leaving your game or switching apps. To turn this feature on, simply tap the switch next to Enable Mobile Voice Overlay. You might get a quick prompt asking for permission to display over other apps. Just allow it, and you're all set. With Mobile Voice Overlay enabled, you'll notice a small, movable bubble appear on your screen whenever you're in a voice chat. You can drag this overlay wherever you like, making it super convenient to keep track of your friends while you multitask. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy seamless voice chat on Discord, even while you're gaming or browsing on your phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.